Retailers don't want to piece together displays from scratch, and honestly, they shouldn't have to. Introducing our grand opening display kits, your fast track to fully stocking retailers. Order by the pallet and save big. Each pallet includes 15 3-tier counter displays or 4 5-tier floor displays, all fully stocked with our top-selling product line. With our grand opening kits, you're giving retailers a fully stocked solution that's ready to go straight off the pallet. Each pallet arrives shrink-wrapped, organized, and ready to go. All product boxes are color-coded by store, so unpacking is simple and stress-free. Store 1 is pink. Store 2 is green. Store 3 is yellow. Store 4 is orange. Each retailer will also receive a manila folder with a full breakdown of their kit, so they know exactly what they're getting and can easily add it to their POS system. We pre-mix the products with a wide variety of best-selling fragrances and products. No extra work, no extra costs. Distributor tip: put one on display in your warehouse as a demo so retailers can see the full product line. If no floor space is available, add a laminated photo to your pallet racking. It's an easy way to show retailers exactly what they're ordering. Here's just a few of the benefits for you and your retailers. Fully stocked setups. Saves you and your retailers time. Moves more product faster. Keeps your warehouse top of mind. More displays in your retailer stores means more reorders and more foot traffic through your doors. A stock display sells itself, while an empty one gives retailers a reason to come back. Bundle smarter, sell faster. Get in on this exclusive distributor promo. Grand opening kits make setup easier for everyone.